Today I'm unboxing for you another order from the Washi tape shop. If you watched my last video, you will see how I use the Hobonichi for my memory keeping and how the washi tape from the Washi tape shop plays a big role in that. I am really enjoying this process. You can see it's nice and thick, and I'm excited, so excited for the seasonal washi tape that I have here. We're going to start off with this one, and it is a different washi that comes in sheets. It's just perfect for this kind of project because it's nice to just have one of everything, or even like a nice accent piece. But these little adorable critters are so fun to work with. These pumpkins are gorgeous, like the leaves and berries and potion bottles. Like, it's just right up my alley. So I'm really excited to be able to play with those guys there. And it comes in this nice little glassine envelope, which is cute. And then the other washi that I ordered, they had a special, and they keep having a variety of different deals, but they had a special when I ordered this, and it was, if you spent $60, you got a free washi tape. And I think this, oh no, I ordered this one. Maybe this is the washi that I got for free. Golden Muse. Let's have a look at that one first. So this is the free one. And it was interesting because it changed. The washi that was for free, when I first started looking at it, ended up being different than the washi that I got for free. I always choose the matte washi, and this time I decided, because this free gift was available, to spend the amount of money to get this washi to see what the PET one is like. It's really beautiful for fall. Like, all of those colors are just perfect. So I'll have a chance to work with this, and yeah, I'm looking forward to that. It's really cute, beautiful colors. Then we're back to, that's the start. So that's a pretty good variety. So that one was free, and shipping was free, and I got 15% off with the code that came with my last order. I will leave a link down below for the washi tape shop along with that code. It's not an affiliate link, it's just the washi tape shop link. So this one I'm most excited about. This is the Haunted Harvest pre-cut washi. So with that one that I showed you there, I believe it was all one continuous roll, but this pre-cut washi is really neat because it has all of the images that you can just take off. But look at this. Perfect. It's Halloween, but it's not like too eerie and scary. It's still really cute, and it's actually got a lot of fall images as well. And then we're back to the beginning, so that's quite a good variety. And then you get like a really big roll of it so that you have multiple of the same washi, and all of these peel off individually. So you have a really good way to use them in a variety of different ways. You don't have to feel that you're using it up, but it also isn't like you're encumbered with a huge amount. This one was really cute. I've been eyeing this one up for a while, and I decided just to get it. It is Alice in Wonderland. I actually had not bought the Alice in Wonderland one for a long time because I was worried about the price of it. It was so expensive to get the whole set, and then I finally realized that I could actually just buy this individual washi without having to get the whole set, and this is the one that I liked the most. Like, this was the one that I thought was the best design. can see what that looks like. That's just really neat to work with. So it doesn't have a very large space, like it's already repeated. Like it's just that basically, and it repeats. And you get a nice amount of it there as well. It has a nice silver foil to it. This one here is called Chic Attitude Wide Washi, and I'm really excited to work with this one as well. I loved the vibe of the fashion of the girls that are in this washi tape and the sayings and everything that it had. I thought they were really cute. The day you plant the seed is not the day you eat the fruit. Stop. Take a deep breath. Don't compare. Okay, enjoy the now. You can do anything, but not everything. That's so true. Be kind to yourself. I'm doing this for me. Be patient with love. Everything's a choice. Let it go. Don't go through life. Grow through life. See the good. I will do big things. Whatever you lost wasn't yours. Make people feel good about themselves. Your life is as good as your mindset. Chill. Keep your chin up. Sometimes you win and sometimes you learn. Wow. These are amazing. I am so glad. I was most looking forward to the fall one, but these have so many inspirational quotes that would be perfect for like a gratitude journal, or just a good talking off point for journaling in general. That's really nice. Here's some more words. This is called Scribble Saga Wide Washi. Okay. I'm moving on. It's not just a notebook. It's your visual memoir of daily victories. Each bullet, doodle, and checklist is a page in the epic tale of you conquering life one day at a time. I love this. The only way is up. You got this. You are everything, but never the goal. If the plan doesn't work, change the plan. Work on you. Do one thing at a time. I accept myself. Planning is like assembling a taco. You choose the ingredients, layer them with precision, and voila, a perfectly crafted day that's both spicy and satisfying. Everything is temporary. You deserve all the love in the world. Courage beats fear. What I think I become, be you. I appreciate what I have. You are not a burden. Be you. You are the best. Every day is a blank canvas waiting for your doodles. Go grab your mental crayons, sketch a smile and splash of enthusiasm, and make your everyday a masterpiece, a vibrant work of art. Trust the process. Invest in you. You have strength to overcome. It's great to mix images with the sayings, and I can cut them out. These are all one piece of wide washi, but I can see myself actually just cutting out the different sayings and using them that way. All right, last but not least, we have Midst of the Journey. So these are really pretty images, and they are pre-cut, so you can just pull out the different girls. Cats are connoisseurs of comfort. So there's lots of fun sayings. I can't be blue when I'm wearing blue. So these are all like blues and greens and grays and browns, and this is very much my wardrobe palette. And then this last one is all about dogs. So the first one had cats, and the second one has dogs. And so here's, dogs are like potato chips. It's hard to just have one. The biggest adventure you can take is to live the life of your dreams. So many good images and sayings. So then they're already repeating, so that's a short pack of them. And that's that. So yeah, so once again, I will leave a link for you here as well if you want to see how I have been using these in my Hobonichi. If you're thinking about your planner for 2025 and trying to wonder what is going to be best for you, it's always great to see how other people work with theirs and how they do their journals. But opening up to the page, there's those little girls that are the perfect sort of use that I have. I do my journaling, just some notes about the day, and I just decorate it with the washi tape, and it's been a lot of fun. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.